Did you know Gemini can generate a PDF for you? No Word, no Google Docs, nothing extra needed. Just type what you want and download it. Let me show you how. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. You'll land right on the chat screen. That's all you need. Now just click on the message box and type your prompt. Tell Gemini what you want your PDF to be about. For this example, let's say we need a one-page project proposal. Create a one-page project proposal for a community garden initiative and export it as a PDF. The key part here is telling Gemini the format you want, in this case, PDF. You can be as specific or as general as you like with the content. Gemini writes the whole thing out, title, sections, formatting, and then gives you a download option right inside the chat. No copy pasting, no reformatting. See that download button right there? Click it and your PDF goes straight to your device. That's it. Done. And by the way, PDF isn't the only format Gemini supports. You can ask for Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, Google Docs, slides, CSV files, plain text, and more. Just swap out the format in your prompt. Now export this as a Word document. Same content, different format, just like that. So next time you need a quick document, skip the blank page and just ask Gemini. It handles the writing and the formatting. You just download and go. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.